too much sometimes.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about fenugreek water and how you can use it. I normally use like fenugreek water as a rinse after washing my hair before I go in with my deep conditioner and steam my hair. Or you can also use it as like, I will say, do not leave it in your hair, just make sure you rinse it out after you're done. It does have like a funky smell if you're not used to it, but it's good. And also I'm going to talk to you about the benefits as I'm doing my hair, so continue watching. Like, I like to like use a white towel. No, I don't know why I'm using white, but like I like to use a towel because I don't like the smell on me. Like, it smells funky, so I'm going to be covering myself with a towel first. So this is the fenugreek water. Like, if you want to know how I made this, I will link the video on how I actually got this. So let's start. So I'm going to be taking my hair out of this bun, put my hair in sections. So like, I'm going to section my hair into 4 parts. Okay, so I'm going to start with this first. So what I'm going to do is that I'll take in a smaller section, and I already have my fenugreek in like an applicator bottle because I don't really like spraying it because it gets on me and I don't like it. So I'll start from like my scalp, then to work its way through the length of my hair. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about the benefits of using fenugreek water as a hair rinse while I'm doing my hair. So the first benefit is that it adds shine and soft texture. It prevents premature gray hair. It controls scalp inflammation. It fights dandruff. It revives damaged hair. It's a great source of protein and amino acid, which helps repair the hair shaft damage due to dehydration, heat styling, chemicals, sun damage, or color treatment. It boosts the cuticle integration in your hair shaft. This is promoting a thicker hair growth. It prevents hair loss. It makes your hair stronger from the roots by providing rich nourishment. Controls hair shedding effectively. So these are the benefits of using fenugreek water as a rinse in your wash day. Like, there's an alternative method if you want to actually do this. You can just like put your hair, get in the shower, put it in a bowl and just like pour it on your hair since it's like a rinse. But I can't do that here, so I have to do it like this for you guys to see. But that's basically what you're just going to do. You're just going to put it like everywhere in your hair, and when you're done you can leave it in for like 20 minutes. And using fenugreek, you're just meant to put it on your hair like twice a week if you want to, but I usually do mine like once in a month or like twice in a month because I'm usually in a protective style, and I do this when my hair is out so that I can really get in. So like, I'll come back when I'm done with my hair and I'll show you guys. Yeah, so I'm currently done adding the fenugreek water to like my hair. I'll leave it in for 20 to 30 minutes, then I'll rinse it out and continue my wash day process. And yeah, that's basically it. And if you want to see my wash day routine, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to do that. But for now, this is the end of this video. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.